Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss the remaining part of the first unit. In the last class we have discussed about the importance of literature in the Renaissance period and the names of different writers and their books. Now listen, today we are going to discuss the important painters or architects and sculptors in that time. And listen, the name of an artist. Can you hear this name please? Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci was an Italian painter. His famous works were The Last Supper and the next one, Mona Lisa. Which are the important works of Leonardo da Vinci? Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. Yes, please listen. In the Kite Victors channel, Shiv Prasad sir explained this portion as in detail. Leonardo da Vinci's important works are The Last Supper and Mona Lisa. Artist. He was also a scientist and a writer and an architect. And the next one, Michelangelo. He was also a painter, an artist, and another one, Mr. Raphael. He was also a painter and an architect. His important work is the School of Athens. The School of Athens was his important work. And Mr. Lorenzo Ghiberti. He was an architect and his important work was the door of the Florence Baptistry. Florence was a city in Italy. Florence Baptistry means it was a Christian church. And he made a door in front of this church and the work done by Mr. Lorenzo Ghiberti was known as the door of the Florence Baptistry. And last one, Mr. Donatello. He was a sculptor and he made an idol. What was the name? Gatta and Gatta was a work done by Donatello. Then listen, the important artists or painters or sculptors and architects. First one, Leonardo da Vinci. His important works are The Last Supper and next one, Mona Lisa. And next one, Mr. Michelangelo. His important work was The Last Judgment. And Raphael, he made an important work, The School of Athens. And next one, Lorenzo Ghiberti, he made the door of the Florence Baptistry. The next one, Donatello, his important work was Gatta. Then these were the eminent persons who lived in that time in the field of painting and in the field of architecture also. Then listen, in that period, so many changes that happened in the field of science, different types of inventions happened in that time. In past, people believed that Earth was the center of the universe. What was the belief? Earth was the center of the universe. They thought that Earth has a flat shape, not a round shape. In that period, all the people believed that Earth was the center of the universe. And one important name, a scientist, his name Kepler. He presented the theory. He presented that Earth did not have a flat shape. Earth has a round shape. And after some years, Nicolaus Copernicus, his full name, he propounded the theory of solar system. What was the theory of solar system? Mr. Copernicus propounded that Earth was not the center of the universe. Earth was not the center of the universe. Sun is the center of the universe. Sun is the center of the universe. The Earth, the other planets are moving around the Sun. So, Earth is not the center of the universe and Sun is the center of the universe. He argued that Sun is the center of the universe and the Earth and the other planets are moving around the Sun. This theory is known as the theory of solar system. But in that time, so many criticisms arised against him, against his theory, and the priests and the landlords and the kings, they turned against him. And in these circumstances, he faced a lot of challenges from the people. But he argued that his theory is true, and he presented that the Sun is the center of the universe and the Earth and other planets are moving around the Sun. And after some years, an important invention that happened, and in 1609, Mr. Galileo Galilei invented telescope. He invented, Galileo Galilei was another scientist who lived in that time, and he invented a telescope in 1609, and he proved that Copernicus's views are true. Copernicus's theories are true with the help of his instrument. What was his instrument? What was his instrument? What was the name? Telescope. He invented telescope. And with the help of this equipment and with the help of the telescope, he proved that the theory of solar system or Copernicus's theory was true. And listen, in the year 1439, another important invention that happened, and a German worker, his name Johannes Gutenberg. He was a German blacksmith, and he invented a printing press. That means a printing machine. The invention of printing machine caused different types of increase in level of knowledge. It caused the increase in the level of knowledge. That means these invention helped the printing of books. Different types of books were published and in different languages and with different subjects, and all these helped the promotion of knowledge. and the knowledge spread all over the world with the help of this invention. So these were the eminent persons who lived in the period of Renaissance in Europe. Okay.